How to change language in Waze. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change language in Waze. Now, what is the first thing to do? The first thing to do is to go ahead and open the Waze app. The Waze app is the Waze app icon is contains a smiling emoji. Yes, it goes like smiling emoji on a blue background. So just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be brought automatically to the home page of Waze. Now, once you're on this home page, just go ahead and click on the horizontal dashes located at the top left corner of the screen. Once you click on it, a page will be displayed to you, and then you'll see plan a drive, inbox settings, help and feedback, then shut off. Our focus in the tutorial is on the settings. So just go ahead and click on settings. Once you click on it, you will be brought to the settings page. Now on this settings page, you would see that the first option is general. Yes, general. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on general, you will brought to the general page. Yes, general page. Now on this page, you will see that the first option is language, right? Language. Yes, just go ahead and click on it. Now once you click on it, you will see that you'll be taken to the languages page, and you see a variety of languages as much as you want. So just go ahead and change it to your preferred language by selecting it. Now you have Netherlands. Let's select English UK. When you select it, as you can see, language changed. We start Ways. So for this to take effect, all you need to do is just to restart the app, and then you would see that the language has been changed. So this is how to change language in Ways. Thanks for watching.